Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have my dad's Chevy Silverado 2500 HD from 2003. And there's a major issue on these. It's pretty common. This kind of top layer of film comes off on the taillights and they look like garbage. So today we're going to be swapping out these old crusty ones for some brand new shiny ones right before we sell it. So let's get into it. Alright, so what you'll need to do this repair is a Phillips head screwdriver and brand new taillight lenses. So the first thing you're going to have to do is take off or lower your tailgate if your truck still has one. And then if you come in here, on the inside of both sides there's a Phillips head screw here and here. So we're just going to go ahead and remove those. Those are not very tight. Oops. And then this just has a couple alignment pins and it just comes straight out. You just have all these little plugs, which should just, you twist them counterclockwise about a third of a turn. And they'll just kind of come out. And remember guys, do not touch the bulbs, because that oil can leave hot spots and you'll end up breaking your light. Or will burn out the bulb. So we're just gonna go ahead and take off the film. And it just has these two little screw mount points and then these two alignment pins. So just gonna reassemble in reverse order. Oh, there's also a plastic film on top of the lights. Or on top of the light holes. Pretty snug fit. All right, so we finally got that bottom one in there. It was definitely a more snug fit on these new ones. Got way more difficult to line up everything. Go. All right, once those are all installed, there's two little holes right here, one here and one here for these alignment pins. Those just slide into there. It's a pretty snug fit. And then you just put the screws back in the side. They don't have to be too tight, just kind of snug. So it's basically just the same for the other side, and that pretty much finishes this up. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.